When I make this dessert, there's nothing left. Start by pouring 60 grams of lemon gelatin into a bowl and add 300 milliliters of hot water. Stir well until the gelatin is completely dissolved. Now add 300 milliliters of cold water and continue mixing. The mixture is starting to take shape. Pour the gelatin into a pan greased with a little sunflower oil and refrigerate for 2 hours. While the gelatin cools, let's prepare the cream. In a glass bowl, combine 400 grams of condensed milk with 200 grams of cream and mix until smooth. Now add 100 grams of powdered milk and mix again until you have a smooth, creamy mass. For an exotic touch, add 100 milliliters of coconut milk and stir well. And don't forget the citrus touch. Mix in 100 milliliters of lemon juice for that refreshing taste. In another bowl, prepare the unflavored gelatin. Add 12 grams of powdered gelatin to 5 tablespoons of water and mix. Microwave for 20 seconds, then add the melted gelatin to the cream. Mix well to integrate everything. Pour the cream carefully over the chilled gelatin, spreading it evenly. Now put everything back in the fridge and leave for 4 hours. The wait will be worth it. To finish with a flourish, shave a little lemon zest over the dessert before serving. This will add a special, aromatic touch that is simply irresistible. And there you have it. Our lemon dessert with Nest Mousse is ready to be enjoyed. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to like and follow our page for more delicious tips like this. Bon appetit and see you next time.